Good morning, breakfast ideas, fried fish with fried egg. Saka ininit ko yung minarinate na barbecue. Pinray ko muna and then I add barbecue sauce. Ito, itataog niyo yung barbecue sauce niyo. Makakakuha pa kayo. Masarap to sa mga barbecue. Yan, tapos wawarm ko yung rice. Nilagyan ko ng wet paper towel. Warm ko ng 3 minutes sa microwave, pati mga ibang ulam. Broccoli with tofu, carrots, tapos yung tofu with mushroom and oyster sauce and sesame oil and spring onion. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to watch my old and upcoming videos. Bye.